Paniki days. Hi guys, it's Sampay day. Po ang aking mga paniki. Laundry day. Ayan mga paniki ko. Paniki 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan, laba-laba natin pag may time. Bango po niyan, amoy downy. Paniki. Paniki. So how's the weather guys? Dito mainit-init. Konti lang ang hangin. Kaya yung mga sinampay ko na bagong dryer. Isa-isayin natin guys ha. Ito yung cup ko. Bagong dryer din yan. Naka-downy. Ito Superman, Columbia, Adidas, Nike Athlete, Adidas ulit, Chelsea Milan Football Club, may Saint Paris Saint-Germain, Nike Football Club. Ito Saudi National Team Football Club, Nike again, Nike Run, Nike Run. Nike Run. Yan, initial lang name ko, J, Juventus. May Under Armour hoodie. Yan mga paniki ko guys. Ito Barcelona Football Club. May Barcelona Football Club. Ito Juventus. Ito Italia Milan Puma, Italia Milan Football Club. Under Armour. And this one Saint Paris Saint-Germain Fly Emirates Football Club. Ito Manchester United. Manchester United. Yan ang mga paniki ko guys. Yan, dryer yan. Maya papasok ko na. My favorite number 7. Ito naman Portugal Football Club. So yan guys. Yan pa ang aking mga paniki.